the whistle, stop the train. This station is blue. There are many blue things here. What do you see that is colored blue? Blue station, blue station. We love the color blue. Many things are blue here. This station is blue. I am blue, la 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 la. There's no color like me, la 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 la. Look around, you'll find me, la 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 la. I look good on many things, la la la. Blue like the ocean, la 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 la. Blue like a blueberry, la 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 la. Blue like a big blue whale, la 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 la. Blue like the sky, la 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 la. Blue fish, bright blue fish, swimming through the sea, here and there, to and fro, busy as a bee. Blue fish, bright blue fish, flashing in the sun, shimmering and sparkling, shine, shine all day long.
Red,
Blue looks real good, painted on. I can paint so many things blue. I can paint this ball blue. I can paint this car blue. I can paint this fence blue. I can paint this pale blue. Another blue looks real good, painted on. I can paint so many things with blue. Up on the wind,
green,
blue butterfly, flapping and fluttering up high in the sky, flying and flitting, turning and twisting, high in the sky, a blue butterfly.
Let's make an elephant with blue clay.
Play with clay, squeeze it out, squish it once and squash it twice. Pat it here and roll it there, then twist it all around.
We made a blue elephant.
Let us make a blue pizza. Yummy, yummy, delicious. Choose blue toppings piece by piece. Not green, not red, blue, just blue. Blue cheese, slice, slice, slice. Blue potatoes, slice, slice, slice. Choose blue toppings piece by piece. Not green, not red,
Yellow.
blue, just blue. One blue bug waking up climbs up on a leaf. It stretches in the morning light. The dew is so sweet and the air is fresh. It's time for him to start the day.